What is going on, eCommerce? I'm back again with another video. So today's video is actually a sad and happy day. So basically, I sold my GTR, my Nissan GTR that was my dream car, sold it, and now we're switching into a surprise car. So today is a pickup day of my new 2022 car, and we're gonna go right now to go pick it up. We're gonna Uber there, and we're gonna go pick it up. So let's go check it out.
Welcome to the Tesla family.
Let's go.
So congratulations, this is your baby.
Sir.
There you go, the keys.
Thank you.
The paperwork.
Awesome.
This is the front seat. First look inside.
So nice. So clean, the white. Oh, that white goes crazy. Holy, that white goes crazy.
Oh, and the back's opening. So are these supposed to have problems, right? Heard these don't stay up all the time. She is perfect. Is this the license plate now? A green vehicle, check that out.
Jeez. Model Y performance, e-commerce money. The Tesla, we're in the Tesla. Look at the roof.
Open it up. Eco-friendly.
They gave us a little card here. Congratulations on your new Tesla. Okay.
Wish you a warm welcome to the Tesla family.
So this is what we're gonna be driving every day now. It's the daily for the next whip. Right? Okay, open the keys. Ooh, the two Tesla keys. One for Athanasia, which is my wife. One for me.
Chill.
Ooh, and this is the Tesla wallet. It's beautiful.
That's the wallet?
Yeah, it's a little wallet.
Let's see that.
Alright, so we just got into the Tesla. We picked up the Tesla. We're here right now. Check it out. It's crazy, yo. So we're just here with the white interior. Peep that white interior, that goes crazy. So we're just here waiting right now. We're gonna get a tour of the car and everything. But like, you can't beat a Tesla. Like, this is crazy, honestly. Like, never forget, work hard, grind, do your work, hustle, and one day you can get your dream car. Like, this is my second car now. I had a Nissan GTR, now I got a Tesla. So basically I sold mine this morning, the GTR, and now I'm in a Tesla. So, you know, start a business, start an e-commerce store, start dropshipping right now. Q4's coming up. It's the best time right now, and you can eventually get something like this. This is crazy. Like, this is a dream of mine, you know. I always thought one day I'll have a Tesla, and look, and now I have the most beautiful Tesla Model Y, white interior, white on white. I'm gonna wrap it too. It's crazy. So make sure you stay hustling, you know, and one day you'll have the same thing. So check it out. You got a nice steering wheel here. It's so minimalistic. I love that about the Tesla, and the white interior is just something else. It's crazy. So they just gave me some keys. I did some paperwork, and basically now we're just waiting. We're gonna get a tour of the car and everything. But yeah, like, check out all these other Teslas. There's some nice Teslas here. But I'm gonna go around the Tesla to show more of the car. Alright, so now we're on the road. First driving the Tesla. It is insane. It's crazy. It's very smooth and nice, and, you know, easy to drive. Wait, I just gotta get in here. Just gonna go now, get some reactions, some friends' reactions in the Tesla, because it's the performance, right? So it's obviously the quicker one. You know, you hit it and you're going. So basically now we're just gonna go get some quick reactions. But anyways, the performance on this car is insane, honestly. Like, way more smooth than the GTR. The interior is crazy. and honestly it's a perfect daily. I'm so happy with it. So we're just gonna go for another drive, and then we'll see you guys when we get some reactions. Alright, so now we're gonna pick up my girlfriend's brother, and we're gonna let him check out the Tesla and see how crazy it is, the speed, you know, like on sport. So I put it to sport, and then we're just gonna do a little bit of a 0-30 quickly and just see how fast it goes and just see his reaction. So it's gonna be awesome. Alright, so look at the white interior, it looks really good. I really love the white interior. So it's actually been like 2 weeks since I got the Tesla, and I'm just trying to complete this video. So basically you can see the white interior looks really good. I'm really loving this Tesla. The roof looks really good. I'm just very happy with it. So I'm excited, you know. It's a great car, and honestly, like, you can't beat it. Like, the electric is just crazy, and you don't have to pay for gas. It's just the best option for sure. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for him for a little bit. Let's see how long it takes. All right, so Nick's here now. Say what up to the video.
Hello, video.
We're gonna go for a little quick rip. He's coming quickly for. He's working, but he's coming through.
It's warm.
Don't spill your Gatorade. Woo! Doesn't it feel weird?
Yeah, it's not. Definitely not like an internal combustion engine.
Woo!
No way, yo.
Yo, isn't it crazy? Better than the GTR though?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, you get the notifications too.
Wait, so this thing's also like good for the environment too?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's awesome, right?
Why don't people just get this instead of like a Civic?
That's
You
what
know,
I'm
like
saying.
a car. Like, why don't you just get like an electric car? Not, you don't have to get this one, but you can get like.
Yeah, you get anyone.
Whoa.
Yeah, you get the power, eh?
Mm.
You feel it, right?
The G-force, right?
G-force, yeah.
Are you gonna get Nicholas?
Doesn't that feel crazy?
Yeah.
Feels
I
weird,
just
right?
smacked my head on the seat.
I know,
the second
that's
time.
crazy. You can feel like the G-force.
My friend lives there.
Really?
We threw a bunch of parties, yeah. His house like backs down onto the Humber, like river.
So what do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, I like the speed and shit. It's all
Speed's
electric
crazy,
cars.
right? Okay, now we're gonna guess what we're doing. Alright, so we got some cool reactions. I think Nick's in love with the car now.
I want a Tesla, yo. No.
I think he's gonna get a Tesla now for sure. So now we got Perp G here. So let's go. We're gonna show him the Tesla power. He thinks GTR is better, but I don't agree with him.
Well, you know, there's practicality, and then there's like big man car, you know?
This is a big man car, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
let's-
the job done. But yeah, it's nice.
Hopefully there's no car seat.
Maybe I'll get this when I'm like,
50.
yeah, 50.
Woo!
Easy.
Put your seatbelts on, man.
Little man.
You never know, man. You gotta be safe, yo.
Yeah. Knowing through driving, I need to have like 3 seatbelts. Oh,
Yo,
easy
isn't it
there,
crazy?
little man.
Doesn't it feel cool though?
Yeah, it's like my electric scooter.
I know, it's fun.
In 4 wheels.
You hear like, look at that cracking. It's like, I don't know what it's doing, switching gears.
It's normal.
Hopefully there's no cars coming right now.
Look, it's your.
Alright, thank you for watching that video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Every Monday and Thursday, I do 2 weekly calls at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Thanks to Perp G for getting on the video. So, peace.